and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup, just really anything that's related to makeup and beauty. And today we're going to be unboxing the January Boxypremium. They do have the Boxycharm. And you can about tell the difference because the Boxycharm is normally smaller, and then the inside is blue, and then it will say premium on the inside. They actually have 3 boxes. They have the Boxycharm for $25 a month, 5 full-size products. This one is $35. I want to say you get 6 products in it. The website says 6 to 8, but I've never got more than 6. Then they have the Boxy Luxe. It's every 3 months, kind of like a seasonal box, $50, and you get around 8-9 products in it. Boxycharm is one of my favorite subscriptions, has been for a very long time, because 5 products for $25, that's like $5 a product, and ain't really that bad, especially since it's higher end to luxury brands. And fresh start, since it's the beginning of the year, everybody wants a fresh start at the beginning of the year. I don't know why, but they do. Everybody has goals that I'm going to lose weight, I'm going to be a better person, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do that, which is really good. And we should start, really start to do that every day of our lives. We should want to better ourselves, even if it's June and or July, halfway through the year. We should still try to better ourselves every day. Okay, so the box that I got is C2101206 PM. If you would like to know the weight or anything, just let me know. I always try to remember, put it in the description box or in the comments below, but I always forget. So just remind me. So, first thing, I did at the first year redo my hair. I'm liking the color. I'm still having a little bit trouble with orange here. It is like every time I shampoo it, it is coming out. Then I do get a little makeup like right in here, which is no big deal. But I do like the color. Okay, so our first thing is by Silver Pure. It's Silver Pure. It's by PMD. I do have a face thing by them. It's brilliant. Confidence. It looks like it is a silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth, which I do like these because I hate ruining my I call them wash rags. I'm from Eastern Kentucky, so I call them wash rags. You guys might call them washcloths, but I hate ruining mine, and it's just a perfect size. You can reuse these. I don't know. I'm kind of funny about that because I think about the germs and stuff. If you, maybe don't really have anything on your face and you're just washing it, maybe you can hang it up to dry. But when I remove a full face of makeup, when I do it today, I will wash my rag out because, and normally I'll throw it in the wash machine. These are good for a lot of washes, but because you really don't want to sit there and hang it up or let it get wet and it builds all that bacteria up in it. But it does save money on having to buy makeup wipes and makeup removers. I know the original makeup eraser you can use alone and you really don't need nothing with it. I always use a face cleaner because I normally I know they say double wash, but I will always triple wash mine face because makeup is very hard to get off. And I do like how it's got a little thing to hang it up. And it feels really good. Doesn't feel like I have the makeup eraser. I actually have 3 different brands. So, no, 4 different brands. And it really don't feel no different. It feels like it's going to do a really good job. So, I do like that. Okay. So, our next thing is by Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas. Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Removes makeup. And it's got SPF in it. And it also is good for and pollution. Okay, removes makeup, SPF, and pollution. Okay. It's 100 milliliters, 3.3 flow ounces. I don't know if I've ever used anything from this company. It's actually good for 9 months. It is cruelty-free and vegan. And know something. I can't read all that. I can't see that good. Like if I didn't drop something, I don't think this would be a video. Okay, so. Okay, I was wondering if I had to take that out. It's got a little thing in here. I think you just put it back on. Then it just comes out. Here it is. It is clear. It is thick. It smells good. It's kind of like, since I ain't washed yet, but it's kind of like oily. And we will just take this, and these two will be perfect together. Put this on your face, wash your face. I recommend never ever going to bed without makeup. Makeup should only be on your face for so many hours a day. I've had mine on for a long time today, and it's probably looking bad. Jet lag. Summer Fridays, it's the Lag Mask Hydrate, 64 grams, 2.25 flow ounces. Summer Fridays. I don't think I've used this brand before. It does come with directions. No. Just different languages. Okay, I like the tubing. It's just like a metal tubing. It's blue and it's good for 12 months. It's cruelty and vegan free. I don't know what's that about. The little book with the finger pointing. I've never seen it before. So it is a mask. I love a good mask. It does not have a safety seal, but it was in a box. I always like my stuff to have a safety seal, especially if I'm getting it out of a store. Okay, I dropped that. I'll find it later. Okay, right here it is. I've been in the brow patches and my hands while I got bit by a chicken. But the rest of it's from brow patches looking for chicken eggs. They're really good at hiding them. It's got like a smell to it. I know the smell. I cannot place it. But it is going away really, really fast. It's thick, but it's a mask and it should be. But I think it will do good. And it's just to hydrate your skin. Then, Fenty Beauty for full frontal. This is volume lifting curl mascara, 12.5 milliliters, 0.42 flow ounces. I like the packaging. I always like the little extra details that they do. The one is kind of like flat. Can you guys see that? Then wider on the side. I don't know. I've never used anything like that. Besides that, it's a normal one, just flat. Okay. I've got all kinds of mascara, so I don't know if I'm going to use that anytime soon or wait. Okay, I'm just like getting into this because I am excited about this. This is by Fenty Beauty 2. Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. We're getting 28 grams, which is 0.98 flow ounces. And I got lavender. Alright, so here's the little piece to put in there. And here she is. I don't know, you kind of see the purple. And I always love their packaging. Like you can see, it's really pretty elegant. But your fingerprints get on it like really easy. My fingerprints are everywhere already. Okay. So there is one in here already. I guess they give you a backup for some reason. I don't know why. It looks a little bit small. It actually looks like it would actually fit into this itself. Okay. Now, normally what I do is I'll knock some down into the lid or just shake the container. Here it is in the lid. It ain't like too purpley. It's got a little bit of a purple tint to it, but it's not. But I think it will act as translucent powder. And blend right out. That's what I thought. I don't have a powder brush over here. I have a contour brush. I'm like, we're just going to touch up a little bit. Touch the nose up a little bit. I probably have enough powder on today. And I didn't put no setting spray on. I wanted a certain foundation, and I thought it was the, I went to grab the CoverGirl True Matte foundation. I actually grabbed an older one that, I love this one. It works really good on my skin. It's warm nude, and I thought this was like a little lighter than what I was going for, and I actually accidentally grabbed the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous, which I've never really, it's almost out, but I've played around with it, never really used it much, but I don't know. I love this one. It does a really, really good job. I'm just not crazy about this one. Okay, so I'm really, really liking the powder. I love setting powders. I don't know. I love all makeup. Okay, and our last item is by Ofra Cosmetics. Good to Go. It's the Mini Mix palette. And no mirror, but I am, like, I can see that green, and oh my god, I am loving that. Smile, you're beautiful. Okay, see, I like this. It's like plastic. The safety seal is actually a good piece of plastic that covers it all. I am loving, I mean, absolutely, it's got a little magnet right here, but this green, this right here, is screaming my name. It's like, yes, I've got to wear that. Okay, oops, the paint's already falling out. This looks like a blush to me. I love their blushes. I love their highlighters. I love their eyeshadows. I love their lipsticks. I love everything about Ofra Cosmetics. Okay, we're going to swatch these. And that's what I do like, that, you know, you can pop your pans in and out, switch them out. Okay, let's swatch these. First row. That is beautiful. Could have done a little bit better with this one. Okay. Loving the red and the green. Then here is the second row for the shadows. Still, I don't know. I'm obsessed with that green. Then we will go ahead and do the blush and the contour. For what reason, I don't know, but we are. Okay, I can work with both these colors. Then it's actually 4 different highlighters in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to swatch them all. So here is the top one. Then here's the pinkish shade. Here is the bottom shade. It's like a creamy ivory or something. Here is the last shade. I love them. I love Ofra's highlighters. They are some of my favorites. I use them all the time. I'm just gonna a little bit more. Then I'll blend that out. I'll just blend it out good. Okay, so I love that. Okay, so for the first box of the year, I'm very happy with the palette and the powder is my favorite products. I love this, love these rags, and a good face cleaner, and a good mask, and a mascara. So I don't need no mascaras, but I'm not going to complain about it. Okay. The Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask is $48. The Ofra Cosmetic palette, mini mix palette is $39. So right there, like this right here covers your box and $2. Like, so really this covers your box. And everything else is like free. And who doesn't want to go into the store? If I would have went in the store and just bought this and got 5 products for free, I'd been overjoyed. And that's what it's like. Okay, so the Fenty Beauty is $32. The Green Clean Skincare is $32. The Fenty Beauty mascara is retailed for $24. And that's about average for a mascara. The PMD makeup removing cloth is retailed for $30. Well, I got my makeup tissue with it, so it is retailed for $30. That I think is a little bit expensive. Like, I think the original makeup erasers are like $21. You can get the minis for like $10, $15, and they're always having sales on them. So, you know, if I was going to run out and buy one, I'd consider that. I actually went to the dollar store and got one. I think I got a beauty blender that I don't use to put like foundation or anything on. I use it as a dry sponge to like set my nose and stuff like that. So I don't use it wet, I use it dry, but it came with a little cloth. It's a little bit littler than this, and it does a really good job. I got them both for $3. So, and when Holler used to be around, which are not around no more, I wish I would have ordered about 10 of them. They had them for $1.50. They are a different shape. They're like about shaped like this, and they're about this long. They're pretty good. So I got like 3 or 4 of them. And then I have some by Lashy Box, Ruby May Cosmetics. And they're the round ones. And I got one from, let me see, I got 2 makeup erasers. Ruby May Cosmetics, a Holler, and the other one, I don't know. There's one more I got. I cannot remember the brand. But so $30, just better like remove it all like one time. Okay, so I'm really, really happy with my box. I don't have nothing to complain about. I got some skincare. I got some makeup. I'm really, really happy with it all. I hope you guys do enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next one. And if you would like to try Boxycharm for yourself, I will leave the link down in the description box below. See y'all later.